in recent times, because they graded and cleaned up this road, it was making it easier for caravans to get in and all that. So it's very similar to what we...
This is definitely where we camped.
Yeah.
Yep. I mean, I'll be honest with you, these all look like old folks, so they're going to be quiet. They're all old, retired people, babe. Oh yeah, too far too steep.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, no, it's a massive drop.
So you want me to have a look over there?
Yeah, if you're gonna want beach sort of access, you actually can put the tent on that side of it.
Well, the tent's on this side of the car. So
Oh.
either that or I park there, put the tent there,
Yeah,
and leave the trailer here.
yep. That's what I meant, leave the trailer. Are you allowed to canoe on New South Wales? Thank you.
Our little setup for the next couple of nights. Longer, isn't it?
Yep.
Morning. This is the best time to see this, is when it's when they're letting water out.
There's a guy that I'm not looking at that.
Yep. Nice little information board. Give me some idea. Oh, the elusive Murray cod. Everybody wants to catch that one. certainly does highlight the huge catchment area that is part of the Murray-Darling Basin. Which we know also takes in part of and helps fill the lake air when it's in flow, which is it's full at the moment. Oh, how the Murray flowed. Under construction. And likely this is the largest weir, makes up this area. There's more downstream. Something like what's it say? 117 plus million litres of water. Taking up, what is it, 4.5 hectares. Wow. There you go. Amazing what they were able to do. You think about this construction, when that was built, didn't have a Bunnings back then to wander down and grab some bits and pieces. It was this old pole driver. You'd have a headache after a while driving that one. Steam excavators. Oh, cable ones, eh? Being an excavator operator, I reckon it would have been a thrill just to have a little go at one if they ever had one still operating. That's the best part about looking into some of these towns and their history. You get so much stuff to look at, read about, get to know about. Nice spot to come, Yarrawonga. Nice spot. You have your fish and chips down here while enjoying the thunders of the water pouring out. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's very nice today. Sun goes behind the clouds, makes a good time to take some photos. I might do that.